Lighting in interior design. Why it matters at home. Have you ever walked into a room and instantly felt calm or restless and wondered why? It could be the lighting. Today, we're diving into one of the most underestimated elements of interior design, lighting. It's not just about visibility, it's about atmosphere, emotion, and function. The role of lighting sets the tone for how a space feels and functions. It defines the mood, highlights architectural features, and even influences our well-being. In interior design, lighting is treated just like color or texture. It's a design tool. Whether it's natural or artificial, the right light transforms a space from average to exceptional. Types of lighting. There are three main types of lighting. Ambient lighting provides overall illumination, like ceiling lights or sunlight. Task lighting is focused and functional, like reading lamps or under-cabinet kitchen lights. And accent lighting is all about drama, spotlights, wall sconces, or LED strips that highlight art or architectural details. Layering these types creates depth and balance. Room-by-room strategy. Every room has different lighting needs. In the living room, soft ambient lighting with dimmable options creates flexibility. The kitchen needs strong task lighting. Think pendant lights over islands and under-cabinet LEDs. In the bedroom, warm tones and adjustable lighting help create a relaxing retreat. Even the bathroom benefits from layered lighting, bright for getting ready, soft for winding down. Light temperature and color. Light temperature matters. Warm white, around 2700 K 3000 K, feels cozy, great for bedrooms and living rooms. Cool white, 4000 K 5000 K, feels energetic, better for kitchens, offices and bathrooms. Using the right temperature can enhance colors, affect your circadian rhythm, and shift the entire mood of a space. Natural light and sustainability. Don't forget natural light. It's free, energizing and ever-changing. Use sheer curtains, mirrors and smart layouts to maximize sunlight. And when choosing bulbs, go for LEDs. They're energy efficient and come in every tone and brightness level. Sustainable lighting design is good for the planet and your utility bill. To sum up, lighting isn't just a finishing touch, it's the invisible thread that pulls your design together. So next time you plan a room, don't just think about what you see, think about how you light it. Because the right lighting doesn't just brighten a space, it transforms it. Subscribe for more interior design